Good morning again, everyone. This is me again, Sir Alan. And for today's session, we have addition of integers. But before that, I would like to say hi to my YouTube subscribers. Hello guys. Please comment down below for shoutouts for our next videos, okay? Okay, so let's go over with addition of integers. So in addition, we have 3 rules to follow. So meron na tayong susundin para makuha tayo ng tamang sagot. So with number 1. So gawin natin side by side para mas maintindihan, okay? So we have to read our rules and let's have our examples immediately. Okay. So if adding integers, number 1. If the integer have same sign, add their absolute value and use common sign. So, okay. Pag nag-add tayo ng integer na the same yung sign, yung ibig sabihin yan, yung sign is the negative sign and the positive sign. Yung gagawin natin is to add their absolute value and use common sign. Example. So, okay. Example, we have 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 have the same sign because they're both positive. So, gagawin natin is, pagsamahin lang natin yung absolute value nila. Absolute value ng 3 is 3. And absolute value ng 5 is 5. So, therefore, 3 plus 5 equals 8. And their common sign is positive. So, di na natin kailangan pang isulat pa. Kasi, ibig sabihin yan, positive na yan. Okay? So, ganun po siya guys. How about the negative sign? Example, negative 4 plus negative 8. So therefore, we have to add their absolute value first. So therefore, this is 4 plus 8. The absolute value of negative 4 is 4. And the absolute value of negative 8 is 8. So therefore, this is 12. And what is next is use the common sign. So therefore, this is negative 12. Okay? Very good. So, we use the sign of the both addends. Kasi, yun yung sign niya. Okay? Another example. Negative 2 plus negative 5. So, therefore, we have to add their absolute value. 2 plus 5, 7. And copy with the sign is negative 7. So, there you have it guys, our answer. Follow. Another, last example for rule number 1. This is negative 10 plus negative 20. So we have to add our absolute value. So therefore, 10 plus 20 is 30. And just copy their sign. So therefore, your answer is negative 30. Okay? Very good. So let's go over with rule number 2. If the integer have different sign, get the difference of their absolute value and use the sign of the greater number. So, let's go over example number 2. Pag nag-aaral tayo ng integers na hindi magkatulad yung sign, yung isa positive, yung isa negative, o yung isa negative, yung isa positive, yung gagawin daw natin is, isusubtract daw natin yung absolute value nila. Then, gagamitin natin yung sign ng malaking absolute value, ng malaking number. Example, this is negative 10 plus positive 3. Ang gagawin natin is to subtract, get the difference. So, 10 minus 3, that is 7. Then, look out for the sign of the bigger number, which is negative. So, therefore, gagamitin natin is negative. So, our answer is negative 7. Follow? Okay, so another example. This is 16 positive plus negative 4. So gagawin natin guys is just to subtract their absolute value. So 16 minus 4 is 12, very good. And what is the sign? The sign of the larger number is positive, so therefore, our answer is positive 12. Or we can write it this way. So, pwedeng wala na siyang sign. That means our answer is positive. Okay? Very good. Last example. This is 9, negative 9 plus positive 7. So, gagawin natin, subtract natin yung absolute value nila. So, therefore, 9 minus 7 is 2. And copy the sign of the bigger number. So, anong bigger number natin dyan, which is 9? So, anong sign ng 9 is negative. So, therefore, our answer is negative 2. Okay? Ganun po siya kadali, guys. I hope you follow. So, mag-i-erase lang ako para sa rule number 3. Okay, example number 3. And with the rule number 3. If there are more integers to be added, so kung marami daw tayong i-add na integers, yung gagawin natin is combine integers with same sign and add the result. So, gagawin daw natin, guys, is pagsamahin muna natin yung magkakaparehong sign, pagtatabihin natin, and saka natin i-add. Okay, so therefore, pagsamahin muna natin yung negative and negative 3. So therefore, this is negative 2 plus negative 3 plus 4 plus 6. So magiging ganyan po yung tsura niya, guys. So pagsamahin natin, add natin yung dalawa, at saka itong positive pareho. So since this is the same sign, i-add natin yung dalawang number, then copy the sign. So this is 2 plus 3 is 5. So we use the same in common sign is negative. And the other one is 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, so mas simpler na yung problem natin. Gagawin natin is, since we add unlike sign, so unlike sign, different sign, we just have to follow the rule. So gagawin natin is, get the difference of their absolute value. So pag susutrakin lang daw natin yung absolute value nila. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Very good. So this is 5. Then, copy, use the sign of the greater number. Use the sign of the greater number. So therefore, gagawin natin is positive 5. Okay? Your answer is positive 5. Or you can write it this way. So just this one, your answer is correct. That means our answer is positive 5. Okay? Let's try another example. So let's have negative 3 plus positive 10 plus negative 7 plus negative 4. Okay, so let's add this one. So gagawin natin, guys, is to combine integers with same sign. So combine lang natin, yan muna, yan, yung magkakaparehong sign. Titignan natin. So, this is 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Then, gagawin natin is to copy their sign. Ayan. Pag in-add natin nung pareho sign. Then, plus 10. Okay, so, saan din nakakuha yung 14? Negative. So, we have to add 3 plus 7 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. So, yung common sign nila is negative. So, we use negative. And our answer is negative 14. Okay? Okay. Since we have to add integers with different sign, we have to subtract their absolute value. So, therefore, 14 minus 10 is 4. And use the sign of the integer with the greater number. So, therefore, anong sign ng malaking number natin is negative. So, therefore, our answer is negative 4. Okay, so ganoon lang po siya kadali, guys. So, that is enough for our today's discussion. And I would like to thank you guys for subscribing my YouTube channel, Alanang TV Official. And I hope to see you soon, guys, for more videos.